We wanted burgers for dinner, so we did an early Dove session in the morning. Why not, when organic burger is still in season?
Me why I sound like this, with a 6-string growl and a hammer fist twist. Why I talk back when I should behave. Why I show up loud like I'm digging a grave. I say, son, I ain't here for your rules or permission. I was raised up proud on a rebel ignition. Cause I was born to raise hell. It's in my bones. Crank and Skinner loud on a rotary phone. My daddy drank whiskey, my granddad did too. So don't be surprised when I howl like a fool. I don't sit in silence, I don't play it small. This outlaw blood don't blend at all. You call it trouble, I call it tradition. I was born to raise hell, it's a family tradition. Wine in a 3-piece suit, I shotgun beer and scuffed up boots. You can keep your manners and your champagne crowd. I'd rather two sleep with the bar lights down. They said you're too rough, I said damn right. I was cut from leather and Friday night. Cause I was born to raise hell, it's in my name. Ain't here for clout, I ain't playing no game. My mama lit fires and my uncle raised Cain. So don't look shocked when I dance in the rain. I don't fold and run, I'm the tailgate preacher with a loaded gun. You call it reckless, I call it conviction. I was born to raise hell, it's a family tradition. Yeah, my bloodline's got moonshine veins, Bible in the dash, but we sin just the same. We ain't rude, just real, and real don't change. So if that's too much, stay out of my lane. I was born to raise hell, stomp the floor, let the devils know what I came here for. From the
good job, bro.
bars to the county fair, you'll hear my name in the midnight air. I don't fit in and I've never tried. Got boot marks deep in my hometown pride. You call it chaos, I call it religion. I was born to raise hell, it's a family tradition.
It was the second week of Dove season, and boy, they were flying high, as you guys can see in the video. I have to switch choke from a Muller decoy to a Patternmaster Code Black Goose, and it got the job done. These is all the doves from this morning session. I'm 3 shy from my limit. In California, the daily limit are 15 doves per person. This should be enough to feed my little family of 6. This is not enough meat for the meat grinder, so I'm going to chop it by hand. My mother-in-law called me a 10K groom for a reason. LOL, inside joke. When the meat comes apart like this, it means to stop chopping. Season it with your favorite seasoning. Here I'm adding some minced garlic and seasoning the meat. Now I'm forming the dove meat into balls so I can smash it during the cooking process. I try to get the tomato as thin as possible, but I'm not a chef, so this is good enough. I'm using my Ninja Woodfire grill to do all my cooking. This thing is a lifesaver. This is my first time making Dove burgers, and I noticed the breast is too lean, with no fat, so if you want to attempt this, grind some bacon with it. Now I'm whipping a sauce for the Dove burgers. This is Korean mayo, Sriracha, and mango habanero. If you guys watch it this far, thank you guys again for watching this small channel. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as my son and I enjoyed making it. Be safe out there and respect the outdoor.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah? Is it good? Is it good?